x equals something, y equals 20. And I notice that here y is 20 and x equals what? Okay. Looking for the other half of the coordinate point. And for what x value does y equals 0? X equals, now I'm on the x-axis, that says y equals 0. And x equals 15. That's not so bad. It's going to be the dang inequalities. For what x values is y greater than 20? Because how do I know? They don't give me an x, they give me a y. So I'm either finding x, putting in x, getting out y, or putting in y, getting out x. They gave me the y value, which means they're looking for the x's. If they gave me the x value, that means they're looking for y's. So y greater than 20. So here is y equal 20. And y is above 20 just in this piece. And it says for what x's? Well, the x's start at minus infinity and go to what's the other half of the coordinate point of 20? Yeah. And it says greater than 20, so it does not include 5. So it's going to be minus infinity to 5, not including. For what y value, for what x value, hate these inequalities, for what x value is y less than or equal to 60. So now I have to find the y value of 60. Here's y equals 60. And it says for what x values are the y values smaller than 60? Well, they start at what? Minus 15. And then this whole piece of this graph right here means y is less than or equal to 60. So it's going to be minus 15 all the way to infinity. So it's going to include minus 15 because of the equal. Here's the bad one. And you're going to say, can it get any worse? Yeah. I want y between 0 and 60. That's what that says. Y is between 0 and 60 for what x's? Well, here's y equals 0 right here. And then here's y equals 60. So this is the piece of graph right there. So the question they're asking is, what x values give me that piece of graph? Well, I start here at negative 15. I go to here, which is positive 15. And that essentially is the endpoints of that graph. I only want that piece. So it's, well, it does not include, so it's a parenthesis. Negative 15. Does not include, so it's a parenthesis. 15.